Selling on Shopify and thinking about Amazon? Or already selling there but managing both separately? Creating Amazon listings from Shopify often means manually adding product, matching complex attributes, and meeting strict Amazon requirements like image guidelines. Updating large catalogs can quickly become time-consuming and difficult to manage. Inventory mismatches can lead to overselling or stockouts, impacting your ODR and even risking account suspension. And managing orders across multiple dashboards only adds to the chaos. In some cases, incorrect listings may not even appear in Amazon search. Introducing CedCommerce Amazon channel connects your Shopify store to Amazon so everything works together seamlessly. Create and manage Amazon listings in bulk, map attributes easily, and optimize images to meet Amazon requirements. Sync inventory in real time to avoid overselling and stockouts. Manage Amazon and Shopify orders together. No more switching between dashboards. Set pricing rules, update products in bulk, and keep all details perfectly in sync. So you can focus on growing your business while we manage the complexity. If you're looking to eliminate operational chaos and streamline how you connect Shopify to Amazon, this integration is built for you. Trusted by 25,000 plus Shopify sellers worldwide, CedCommerce helps you sell on Amazon with confidence. Install today and start scaling smarter.